A friend wants to know, is it that every person is born for a special purpose in life? Yes, certainly every person comes into the world in his own unique way. But the wish to be special is born from the mind. This classification of ordinary and special is all a creation of the mind. It is your ego. No individual wants to be ordinary. When someone says that you are special or certifies that you are special, the ego gets nourished. But with such achievements of medals and trophies, nothing changes and the quality of life remains the same. People look for some special purpose in life, and those who cannot find something special feel that their life is being wasted. And then there are people who suggest them to do this and do that so that they get recognition, and in their desire for recognition, people do all sort of useless things all their life struggling to be special. All these are pseudo ways that are bound to go futile. It is observed that people want to be special, but they don't make any effort. They can endeavor and put in their best in the right direction, and then maybe existence may choose them for some specific role. But just wanting does not bring any results. The purpose of life is to live. There is no need to be special. Life is natural. Life is ordinary. Life is simple. When you surrender to life and live as it comes, you give it space and allow it to unfold before you without any obstruction from your side. Then whatever you are doing is what you are supposed to do. There is no purpose of life other than life itself. Moreover, in the larger scheme of things in existence, every individual is playing a role, doing something or the other, and none of it is insignificant. None of it is inferior. It is only our mind which sees something better than the other and differentiates between special and insignificant. In reality, all is a big drama on the stage of life in which all roles are equally important.